Hey, you are welcome at WP Code Studio. I'm Robin Islam Rocky. Here in this lesson 3 we show you how to install theme and plugin, and besides installations we will notice the difference between free and premium theme installations. And first of all we will divide this lesson into two steps. So first step for how to install free and premium plugins, and second step will be for how to install free and premium theme. So without any delay, let's get started. After visit inside this browser, we have to enter the domain name in this search field and pay attention please. After domain name, I mean at the end of the domain, we have to add one more word, its name, admin. So let's write it down here and please hit enter. Thereafter we can see only two fields. First one is for username and second one is for password. So I don't know, you may have remembered or not, during the WordPress installations we were created custom user and password, and we have saved those user and password in our notepad. So right now we will use those user and password for login. So let's open notepad, and from here we just copy first username and paste it here in this field, and again copy the password and again paste it inside this password field, and thereafter just click on login. Right after login to our admin panel, we can see here so many options and menus available here. So for that reason you don't need to stress anymore about it, because I will explain everything step by step, lesson by lesson. So before install any theme or plugin, we should take a look at our website how it's looking right now. So for checking, just hover on this website name. Having hovered on this website name or title, whatever you can say, we can see here one more option under the website name. So just click on these options for checking purpose. We can see our website is not looking so pretty, so we have to give a professional look by install theme, plugin and customizing. So for that, get back to our admin panel, and here in this admin panel on the left hand side we can see plugin options, and under the plugin we can see 3 more options available. So we will introduce first of all with installed plugins. After click install plugins, we can see we did not see any of plugin because we did not install any plugin before. So right now we will try to install a new plugin. So for that we have to choose this add new plugin options. So click on it, and after that we can see here so many plugins available here, and we can be search our required plugin by enter the word in this search field. So I'm going to install Elementor free plugin. So let's write it down here. And then I got it, Elementor website builder, and it's a page builder where we can use this for design any kind of template or page. So let's install this plugin by click on this install now button. Okay, the plugin is installed. Right now we will activate this plugin by one click. Just click on this activate button. Well, our plugin has been installed and active. So we have seen how to install free plugin. Right now we will see the different premium plugin installations. So for install premium plugin, again click on this add new plugin option, and here in this page we can see upload plugin options top of the page. So just simply click on it, and here we are being asked to select the plugin files here. So for that, choose file, we have to click on this choose file, and here I have to select the plugin. Okay, I got my plugin here. Just click on this and the plugin has been selected. Just click on this open button here, and thereafter click on this install now button. The plugin is installing here. Okay, this plugin has been installed. So just we have to activate this plugin again. So in this second step we will see how to install free or premium theme. So for that we have to choose theme options. So for that, just hover on this appearance options, and under this appearance we can see so many options available here, but we need just one option, that is themes. So click on it, and here in this inside these themes we can see here so many themes are available. So we would like to use these themes, so right now we will install a new theme for using our website. So for that, just click on this add new theme, and here in this themes options we can see here so many themes available here. If you will not like any of theme here, then we can search new theme. So for example, I'm looking for a blog theme because I would like to create a blog website. So for that, just click similar word like blog. Okay, then we can see so many blogger theme. We can use any of them from here. So just simply install this theme, and we will check the difference between previous and current new theme installations, how our websites will be looking. Now activate the theme. After I activate the theme, we can see here congratulations content here. So just remove this, we don't need it. Right now we will take a look at our website, how it's looking right now. So for that, again hover on this website name and click on this visit sites options. Now it's looking something pretty, but still it's not looking so well, because we have to customize. Then this website will be so professional and attractive. So let's get back to our admin panel. So far we have seen free theme installations process. Right now we will see how to install premium theme, and after then this premium theme installations we have to be done few tasks, which are after install premium theme we have to be installed themes plugins which are related with that theme, and thereafter we will activate the license key, and then we will import demo content. So guys, demo content importing this will depend on your requirement, or it can be dependent on your client's requirement if you are a freelancer. So for install premium theme we'll have to choose theme option again, and then just click on this add new theme option, and from here since we will install premium theme, or it can be possible you have made a custom theme for your website. So for that we have to choose upload theme option. So just click on it. Now we can see here choose file options. Through this option we have to select that theme from our device. So without any more delay, let's do it. Guys, I'm going to install the Fox theme. So I have selected my theme and now open it and click on this install now button. It will take few seconds or minutes and at least the theme installation process has been successfully completed. Right now we have to activate this theme. So for activate, just click on this active button. And thereafter we have to be install theme plugins. For installing those plugins, just click on this install plugins option. All of those plugins are available here which are related with that theme. So right now we have to be install all of these plugins. For that, check all and select install from here, and then just click on this apply button. And then it will take a few seconds for installing all of these plugins. So we can just wait a few seconds. Nicely, all of those plugins has been installed and activated successfully. Right now we have to be activate the license key. So for that, here on the bottom of the list we will get that option, and from there we can be activate our license key. For activate license key, we have to be visiting this setting option. So just click on this, and thereafter we can see here a field where we have to be add our license key. Then just have to be click on this activate button. So guys, do it yourself because it's very hidden and secret matter. That's why I will not show you that, but I'm sure that you can do it yourself. So let it go and let's import demo content. Thereafter we need to be import demo content. So for that, first of all we have to be find out the theme options. So easily I got it here, and here in this you will get also import demo option. Just click on it, and then we can see here so many demo available here. We can use any of them. So for example, I'm going to import guys. This demo import concept will be dependent on your requirement, or it can be dependent on your client's requirements. So for example, I'm going to import any of them. Just okay, I'm going to import this food demo. Just click on this import full, then we will get pop-up options. From there we have to be select yes import. Okay, now we will just click on this yes import demo, and now it will working. Just wait a few seconds, then we can check out our current website after install premium theme and import this demo. Okay, it's completely imported. Right now we will take a look our website how it's looking right now. So for that, over on this and click on this visit site. Okay guys, that's it for the time being, and in the fourth lesson we will show you how to customize a theme after installation. And please let us know your opinion through below this comment section, how much you are benefited after watching our lesson. Guys, if you still did not subscribe our channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon button. Okay, then see you in the next lesson. So take care of yourself. Bye bye.